हेलो दर्शकों, आप सबका स्वागत है सहारा अधिकार न्यूज चैनल में। आज सुप्रीम कोर्ट के वरिष्ठ लॉयर मैथ्यू नेदुपरा ने सहारा अधिकार से बात करते हुए MSME यानी मीडियम स्मॉल मीडियम एंटरप्राइज माइक्रो एंटरप्राइजेस एंटरप्रेन्योर्स के मुद्दे को उठाया। उससे पहले उन्होंने चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इंडिया जस्टिस चंद्रचूड़ के रिटायरमेंट पर भी बात की। एक महिला जो एक MSME है, उसे किस तरह से बैंक द्वारा प्रताड़ित किया जा रहा है, वो हम आपको हमारी अगली वीडियो में बताएंगे। एडवोकेट नेदुपारा ने माइक्रो स्मॉल मीडियम एंटरप्राइज की श्रेणी में आने वाले हजारों लोगों की आवाज़ बनकर काम करते हैं। हाईकोर्ट से लेकर सुप्रीम कोर्ट तक याचिकाएं दायर करते हैं ताकि MSME एंटरप्रेन्योर्स को इंसाफ मिल सके। देश और दुनिया की तमाम खबरों के लिए देखते रहिए सहारा अधिकार। I'm Dishan Kardi and you're watching Sahara Adhikar. Today we are at Gundeja Chambers with Supreme Court's most famous lawyer, Mr. Mathew Nedupara. Sir, welcome to Sahara Adhikar news channel. We have heard that today Justice Chandrachud, the Supreme Court judge, is retiring today. What do you think about it? You have been a strong spectator of Mr. Chandrachud and you have written many letters to him as well.
Justice Chandrachud is retiring on 10th. 11th of November is his birthday. Incidentally, it is my birthday too. I'll be turning 66, he'll be turning 65. And see, when somebody retired, you must say something good about it. And I wish all the best to Justice Chandrachud, and I wish him all health and all good. But at the same time, even since he asked me about his tenure as a Chief Justice, I'm afraid to say, like many, I'm also greatly disappointed. It is not as a criticism, maybe because most people had a great hope in him. I tell one example, one instance. See, our Indian judiciary today is at crossroads. Say, people say 4 lakh crores. I don't remember the exact statistics. It takes. See, I know cases, criminal cases pending since 1995. The Byan Singh's mother, he was the Byan Singh, Punjab Chief Minister, was killed in 1995, and we are in 2024. The criminal appeal is still pending. So then even matters concerning life and liberties are pending in the surrounding issues which are purely academic or of no consequence, and matters on which it is not the job of the court at all. See, the Article 370, all this is all, the court doesn't have such a jurisdiction. See, only the parliament can alone enact laws and decide matters concerning the public at large. As I always used to say, when the parliament enacts a law, we are all present in the parliament, symbolically present in the parliament, and it is with our consent a law is enacted. On the contrary, when a court decides something, only the two petitioners and the judges are there. So many issues, even the electoral bonds case. So maybe a bad idea, it may have led to corruption, but these are all things which only the parliament can decide. Otherwise, all these proceedings should be representative proceedings. Is it possible to have conduct the matters concerning policy representative? Impossible. So these are the focus of the Supreme Court for the last many decades has been on doing its job. It is trenching into the domain of the executive, the legislature. Many people say for name and fame. So I can say it may not be very nice to say all this when somebody is retiring, but without meaning any kind of that kind of a feeling, I should say look at the Deepak Misra. Before he is retiring, there's so much of hurry. Matters are taken up in a hurry, all intended for publicity, the gallery. So the perception that judges are interested in not deciding the actual cases, but for deciding matters of name and fame, and to go their names in the history, that is all. It doesn't give a good doesn't look good. And I take one example. See, the court, you must be able to trust a court. And I am afraid to say, my own experience as a lawyer for more than 40 years is that you cannot trust judges. That is sad, so sad, extremely sad. And I tell from a matter of such a great importance. Only 1 second I will take more. The judges they know. I mean, they, in the name of interpretation, they tore the constitution and created collegium. Parliament enacted a law, amended the constitution, undo it, and a few lawyers and a few judges. Then there's a mockery called the PAL, and the NJAC was declared to be unconstitutional, and that was a great mistake. And not only me, many of my friends, we have had any number of petitions for the matter to be once again reconsidered, and the matter has never ever been seen the light of the day. And the last instance was petition number 1005 of 2022. Chief Justice Chandrachud has told me at least 5 times. The possibly suggested dates were also given, but those what was said in the open court never translated into order in writing, and the unkindest cut of all is on 24th of May 2024, a writ petition 1005 of 2022 has been deregistered. It was deregistered and it became a diary number, and the registrar dismissed it. When I filed a petition on such an important issue as abolition of collegium and restoration of NJAC, the registrar deregisters and dismisses it without noticing me and without hearing me. And do you think the registrar did it on his own? It's obvious. Who is registrar? He is an employee, he is a servant, he is a subordinate of the Chief Justice. Chandrachud asked him to do it, he did it. And then we challenged that another set of petitions was filed. And this petition, not me alone, at least 10 other petitioners are from different parts of the country. And that petition, we challenged the rule and the order of the Rule 15.5 of the Supreme Court rules, and also the order of the registrar. That petition, the registrar, I have not heard anything. When I asked my staff to find out, my juniors to find out, they find that it's only one indication, the website lodged. It is terrible. It is terrible. And so I am so, it was in a great disappointment. Still, we all live in a civilized society. We have to talk and we have to speak and talk and conduct ourselves in a civilized manner. I wish Justice Chandrachud all the best, good health, and I pray that Almighty will bless him, give him the choicest of blessings.
So recently we have seen you in Mumbai Press Club that there were 2 ladies who have been affected by Micro Small Medium Enterprises Act, and they have been into turmoil by the banks, and the bank have charged them hefty interest rates and everything, and they are going through a lot of depression also. We have seen that you have filed many number of petitions in High Court and Supreme Court also, but justice has been delayed and justice has been denied, it seems. So what do you think, why it is taking the court so long to decide on this micro, small, medium enterprises, business entrepreneurs who are contributing to the growth of India?
See, when I make a comment, what I see with my own eyes, what I heard with my own ears, that alone is truth. So then, see, the Parliament enacted a law. The government issued a notification, and which bar the banks and financial institutions from even classifying an account as an MBA without constituting a committee and without without a resolution plan being implemented.
Friends, this was Mr. Mathew Nedupara, the Supreme Court lawyer, who was speaking on the retirement of Chief Justice of India, Mr. Chandrachud, and he has highlighted many important points in regards to the Micro, Small, Medium Enterprises Act, which the court fails to give justice to all those entrepreneurs who have been harassed by the banks, and the banks misuse their position and charge them hefty interest rate. And there have been 2 cases already which we have seen, and there are n number of cases not only in Mumbai but in all over India. And what Mr. Mathew Nedupara was trying to state is that the judges needs to come strict on these culprits and deliver a judgment, so that the MSME entrepreneurs should get justice, and they should feel a sense of relief also. To get all the updates regarding our news channel, please do keep watching Sahara Adhikar.